welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious zucchini bread. So the first thing you're going to need is some zucchini, which I've already grated, and I took out the excess water from it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to add in my dry ingredients. So I'm adding in some sugar and some coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, you can use any sugar of your choice, brown sugar, any sugar at all of your choice. Then I'm going to beat in some eggs and I'm going to add it to it. Then I'll be adding in some vanilla extract. Then basically I'm going to combine this whole mix together. Combine it, you don't need to do it too much. Just when you feel that it's well combined, then you can stop. Then I'll be adding in my flour. So don't add your flour the way I did, adding them at once. Just add them bit by bit, okay? Then I'll be adding some cinnamon and some baking soda, and I did add some nuts. So you can use any nut of your choice, pistachio, pecan, any nut of your choice. So I added almond because that's the one I have, and it came out and it tastes really good. So I'll be adding in a pinch of salt, just a little bit. Then I'm going to mix this very well, mix it together. Don't worry about the thickness, it's absolutely fine. You don't need to add additional water, you don't need to add additional oil. Just leave it the way it is, okay? Then when you're done mixing, it doesn't take too long to mix. When you're done mixing, you're going to line your pan with some parchment paper, or you can grease your pan and add the batter to the pan. So when you're done adding it, then you can bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour.
In this fantasy world, I put you in the air. I cover up both my ears, 'cause I know, baby, it's working. It's working. Never should try.
So go ahead and smooth the surface, okay, so that it will come out really nice. So additional thing that I did, when I'm done smoothing the surface, I'll be adding some extra nuts up top. So I'll be adding in some crushed almond nuts. Like I said, you can use any nut of your choice, it's totally up to you. So the reason why I added additional nut at the top is just so that to make it look good, to give it like the appearance will be different, okay? You know what I mean? So when I'm done adding the nut at the top, look at that. So I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for at least an hour. After 1 hour, you can do the toothpick toss, where you put your toothpick in it and take it out. When it comes out clean, you know it's ready. So an hour later, and this is what it looks like. Look at this, is the zucchini bread. You can make this anytime, any day, and it tastes absolutely delicious. The best way to enjoy this is when you're done baking it. When you want to eat, make sure it's completely cool. You can toast it. It tastes so good. So don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel.